So I was on the forums on Reddit, and someone said if you put it in almost boiling water for a little bit, when it comes out it hardens up and gets back the original shape and becomes a tight fit. You can also see it's distorted in the middle there. So I'm going to do that and let's see if it works. But just to show you, with no pressure on that at all, it's just limp is the right word I think I'm looking for. Limp. Okay, boiling hot water there. And then this, I'm actually not going to put this into the bowl because we're into the saucepan, because we use a saucepan. I'm going to pour it into a container and let's see. Okay, part two. The things that we do for our cases, eh? Quite stupid, really. I'm sure this is not going to work, but I hope it does. If nothing else, I will be sending this video to dBrand, and I'm hoping one of their so-called robots will say, Howard, we're going to send you a free one of our latest one and a few skins just for the effort I've made. Because it is a great, I do like the grip, and it's a shame they couldn't make it this thin and just make it a bit stronger. But evidently not. Okay. There we go. Don't need much. I feel like I'm about to give you guys a recipe on cooking here. So it's boiling almost. I'll just do it. Here we go. And it just sinks to the bottom. I'm going to turn it over so it gets done on both sides. It looks like it's bent. Concave, I think is the right word. It's either that or the opposite. If you look at the Reddit page on dBrand, there's a lot of forums on how to do this kind of thing. Other people have tried different methods, but a few people seem to acknowledge this is a way to do it. So just give it a bit longer, I guess. And I'm going to take it out now and let it cool down. I'm using this plastic thing here. And I'll put it over somewhere to let it dry. Like so. I'll put it like that. Oh, it's a bit hot. The end result. After boiling, I can't believe I said that. Boiling water, that is. I put it in, I left it a couple of minutes. This is going to be the test. Now, I'm not confident. Let me just show you. That does not look very strong. And I am going to send this, as I mentioned, to dBrand. I'm hoping they're going to appreciate the effort that went into this. And I did endorse this case when it first came out because it's lightweight, thin, and it was quite good at the time, but it's only lasted a few months. So they should give me a new one of the, but look at that, look, with no, I'm just holding it. It shouldn't be doing that. But let's see if it's better than what I had before. Here we go, because before it offered no protection. Is it any tighter? And as you can see, it fitted like a glove. Now it fits like, what can I tell you? Like a pair of pajamas, I guess. It just goes in. Look, it's already falling out. It's useless. That didn't work. So, great case, but there's no protection in it at all. I'm not going to do it because it will fall. So, the only other thing I will mention though, if you look at my phone, no fingerprints, and it's a screen protector that I've used before. Excellent, everything works, and no glare, which I love. And it does diminish the photographs just a fraction, but really, you don't really notice it. But look at that. I love it because there's no glare, easy to read, etc., etc. So it looks like I'm back, at least temporarily, with the Spigen liquid air case, which was not bad. I even put these things on to give me a bit more grip, which do work, but I did like the dBrand. So thanks for tuning in, and let me know your thoughts. Did you have the original dBrand? What do you think? How's yours wearing out or not wearing out? Maybe yours has lasted better than mine. Thanks again. See you soon.